coach.
Yeah.
A 1-0 win away from home. You couldn't ask more from the boys,
Yeah.
continuing to get those 3 points, staying close to the leaders because it's very,
Yeah.
very ticklish at the top. There's no space and there is no room for dropping points at the
Yeah.
moment.
Yeah, the room for in terms of slacking off is not the time really. But I must say, we work extremely well today defensively, and we defend very very stoutly, and we also organize the team extremely well.
Cameron Foster came up with a number of brilliant saves
Yeah.
to keep the clean sheet and to earn those 3 points this afternoon.
Yeah, brilliant. And what we do ask for is for performances like those, so the team can play off it. He's a leader of this group, so we expect that. But even with expectation, we still have to applaud him because today was good from him, and he also helped the team.
And Fletcher continues to score today from the penalty spot. He has been one of the sparks for the team this season. It took a while to get going, but since then he's been one of your main go-to players this season.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good sign for him in terms of getting that spot kick done. Before, I think we lost a game because he missed a penalty. But I really love what the team did today in terms of the confidence that they give him to take back the kick. But I mean, overall, Harbour made it extremely difficult for us today, especially with the set pieces. I think we deal with it well as well, and we can move forward. We're not comfortable where we are as a unit, and we want to move up. We're also asking and we're beseeching in terms of support from the fans. Come out and support the team. It's a very good team. They have been performing. I think we have a little bad patch. I think we're on the right track as a unit, so expect to move forward.
They play again at home, weekend?
Yeah, yeah. Not sure about that game though.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.